how to tilt or rotate head-up display on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the instrument cluster. Let me explain how to navigate here. So you need to use arrows left and right to navigate and confirm options by pressing OK button. You can also scroll by using OK button, but you have to use it as a scroller. Alright, now let me make the bigger for you right here. Alright, and here let's use the arrows to find here the settings. If you have the settings highlighted, let's press OK to confirm it. Then you need to scroll down until you see the head-up display. Alright, now let's press OK to confirm it. And as you can see here, you should find rotation. So this option lets you twist or tilt the windshield projection slightly to the left or to the right. It helps you straighten out the display image if it looks crooked or slanted from your specific sitting angle in the driver's seat. So let's just press it, and as you can see, you can just adjust it to your need. So let's use the best position for you and press OK to confirm it. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.